for this episode, we received an email from a girl named Olivia who thinks she has a stalker staying outside of her house. Olivia says she feels unsafe because she currently lives alone because all of her roommates recently went missing. She also says that often when she looks outside at night, she sees a creepy-looking old lady in the woods who keeps asking to come inside. She sent us this video for proof. So tonight, we're going to drive to Olivia's house and try to find out who's been stalking her. But first, a quick word from us. Okay, Chester, remember what Mom said. Someone makes fun of you, they're just insecure about themselves. Holy shit! Yo, everyone, look at that nerd!
Ela desce, ela sobe no baile, é pressão.
Mina linda, perigosa, rouba meu coração.
Vai quicando, vai jogar no bate, arrasou no batidão, só por atento.
Okay, so we're driving right now, heading to Olivia's house. How do you feel about this, Chester? Oh, that video, she said this was creepy. Why is Roy Chester involved with this girl's stalker? I don't know if it's right, but Olivia's all over it now. Scared. So I don't see how her being scared is our problem. You're just making her attracted to her. Yeah, I mean, from her photos, she's clearly attracted to her. I don't understand how her appearance gets them like this.
Todos los skibidi, todos los toilets saltan y giran sin ningún control. El ritmo nos llama, es pura emoción. ¿Dónde están Titan Speakerman?
Bro, this area looks sketchy. We're in the middle of the woods.
Pero no parece. Lo han desinfectado. Todo skibidi.
Dude, what is she doing there? I know, we better not. Hello? Okay. Mom, go to the door. Okay, let's knock at the door. Right. Hi, we're here for Olivia. Is she home? Yeah, I'm Olivia. I can't miss you. Dude, what's going on? Sir, listen, we just drove all the way here for Olivia. Is she here or not? Nah, she's not here. I'm Olivia. I catfished you. Dude, this is weird. Is this some type of trick? No, listen. I think I'm being stalked by this weird old lady. I need you guys' help. Just come in. Alright, I guess we can come in and talk. Let's go! I appreciate it, fellas. Come on in. Okay, let's go in. Why are you lying about who he was? Let's just talk to someone. Messed up? I think something happened to her. What? I think she was in an accident or something. I don't know if she's just a crazy lady trying to break into my house or... You know. I don't know. What? You know?
500 cigarettes.
I mean, come on. Alright, listen, if you actually want us to help you, then you're gonna need to let us have cameras in your house. No problem, buddy. Okay, well, you can do that if you want. We're gonna go talk. Come on, Chester. Dude, you seriously think we should be staying in this guy's house? I don't know. Just want to see what he has. What? Why? We don't know when our girl was staying outside. And this guy catfished us. You can't tell me that you were helping. Yeah, this guy lied to us. And he's annoying. But I think he actually might be doing stuff. Yeah, and if this lady stalks him, there's a video that says, so we are safe here. So, we gotta find out more about the situation. Regardless of everything, if this guy's a manager, then there's nothing that's gonna make me not want to help him. Okay, so I want to see if the girl I saw earlier is still there. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Do you need help? What is that? Okay, let's knock on this guy's door. Sorry. Chad? Get the hell out! What did you say? I'm just playing, fellas. Come on in. Okay, thank you. Oh, what? Lucky I wasn't changing in here. You sissies would probably like that. What? Alright, so Chad, we set up cameras all over your house. We're gonna watch the footage in the morning, and we can see if that old lady comes back. Oh, you bet. Hey, no, listen. You might not want to watch the footage from my room tomorrow. I might have a bitch over there. Oh, come on. You gotta be joking me. What, you jealous your poofs don't get no bitches? I seen y'all sharing that bed. Dude! What? Listen, we don't want to cause any problems. I'm just trying to tell you that we set up these cameras so we can watch the footage. What's up, bro? No, I'm not doing anything. I might have a whole later. What about you? Alright, you wanna know what? This is ridiculous. Yeah. Come on. I know, right? Are you alright? What was that about? Dude, you know what that was about. Since we got here, this guy has done nothing but disrespect us. Disrespect me. Huh? He's not taking this seriously. This is all just a big joke to him. I'm beginning to think that this guy's not in any danger at all. Words you use to refer to women disgust me. Okay, so I'm gonna check outside again. I guess she's gone. Dude, come on, I don't want to play footsie right now. Huh? Wait. What are you doing? Something's touching my foot. Wait, what?
There's no way. Say you swear to God. Say you swear to God. Put that on put that on Allah. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say you swear to God that just happened. I just spent $200,000.